Super. ABC. TV.
A makes the sound A. Can you say A? A is for alligator. A, alligator. B makes the sound B. Can you say B? B is for balloons. B, balloons. C makes the sound K. Can you say K? C is for camel. K, camel. D makes the sound D. Can you say D? D is for duck. D, duck. E makes the sound E. Can you say E? E is for egg. Egg. F makes the sound S. Can you say S? F is for frog. Frog. G makes the sound G. Can you say G? G is for gorilla. G, gorilla. H makes the sound H. Can you say H? H is for heart. Heart. I makes the sound I. Can you say I? I is for insect. Insect. J makes the sound J. Can you say J? J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K makes the sound K. Can you say K? K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L makes the sound oo. Can you say oo? L is for lion. Ooh, lion. M makes the sound Can you say M is for mango. Mango. N makes the sound Can you say N is for nest. Nest. O makes the sound O. Can you say O? O is for ostrich. Ostrich. P makes the sound P. Can you say P? P is for piano. Piano. Q makes the sound Qu. Can you say Qu? Q is for quilt. Quilt. R makes the sound R. Can you say R? R is for rain. Rain. S makes the sound S. Can you say S? S is for sun. Sun. T makes the sound T. Can you say T? T is for turtle. Turtle. U makes the sound A. Can you say A? U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V makes the sound V. Can you say V? V is for volcano. Volcano. W makes the sound W. Can you say W? W is for whistle, whistle. X makes the sound x. Can you say x? X is for X-ray. Y makes the sound y. Can you say y? Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z makes the sound z. Can you say z? Z is for zigzag, zigzag. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent! Now you know your ABC.